Dear students, how are you all? I am your science teacher Nitya from Tabarak family going to present a lesson on circuit components. This is the last lesson of chapter 5 electrical conductors and insulators. Hope it will help you to learn staying home. Okay. In the last lesson, we studied about circuit. Do you remember how to draw circuit diagram by using circuit symbols? Here you can see a battery, two bulbs and open switch and corresponding circuit diagram also given. You know how to draw circuit, so no need of explanation. Yes? Then, if we change the number of components like bulb and battery, how it will affect the circuit? Here, I gave one circuit. What you can see here? The bulb will glow brightly because only one bulb is connected here. From this second picture, what you understand? The bulbs glow less because only one battery here to supply the electricity for three bulbs. Here one question for you. Listen the question first. Look at circuit A and B. Can you predict in which circuit the bulbs will be brighter? Think and say. Yes, correct. Circuit B. This is circuit B. Okay. Circuit B will be glow brightly because this circuit connected with 4.5 volt battery. But in circuit A, there is only 3 volt battery. How do you know that is 4.5 volt battery? Here look this picture. 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 means equal to 4.5. Got it? Just think, if you remove bulbs from a circuit, what happened to the circuit? It will glow more. While if you add more bulbs, the light become dimmer. Same like that, number of cells used in a circuit is more, light become more brighter. If you remove battery from the circuit, what happened? The light become dimmer. Understand? Next, adding different components means connect motor or bell or buzzer or more bulbs in the circuit. Okay? What we should listen when we connect it? Different components need different strength of electricity. The strength of electricity that a component needs for it to work is called the voltage. Remember voltage. The strength of electricity is measured in, means voltage measured in units called volt. Here one picture is given. A bell needs 6 volt to work. Bulb needs 1.5 volt to work. Buzzer needs 3 volt to work. And motor needs 24 volt to work. How does the length and thickness of wire affect the circuit? Before that, you want to know about what is resistance. Resistance means the amount of opposition to the flow of current. Just remember this, don't forget. Okay? Look at this picture. Some use long hose pipe and Pumla use short hose pipe to watering the plants. Through short pipe, more water comes out. Why? Because it has less resistance. If less resistance means more water can flow through it. Next picture, Wussy and Mary also watering the plants. Wussy use thin hosepipe and Mary use thick hosepipe. Through thin pipe, less water is flowing because it has a lot of resistance. So, if more resistance means less water comes out, less resistance means more water comes out. Same like that in the case of electric current also. So you remember, long and thin wire has more resistance, so less electric current can flow. Changing length of wires. Lengthening the wires in a simple circuit will make the bulb dimmer. Longer the wire, the more the resistance, so less electric current can flow and the bulb dimmer. Changing thickness of wire. Thicker the wire in a simple circuit will make the bulb brighter. Thicker the wire, less the resistance, so more electric current can flow. From this lesson, we have learned all these points. Removing or adding bulbs from a circuit causes them to glow more or less brightly. Next point, number of cells affecting the brightness of the bulbs in a circuit. Next one, what is voltage? The strength of electricity that a component need to work, that a bulb or bell need to work, that is called voltage, and voltage measure in unit called volt. Long and thin wire has a lot of resistance. Through a short and thick wire, more electricity is flowing because it has less resistance. Okay, study this one. Here one worksheet is given. This is related to this lesson. Thank you for listening. All the best, dears. See you soon with the revision of this lesson. Have a nice day.